My name is Blennau, and my project is on the effect of antioxidants on crown gall disease in plants. For hundreds of years, turmeric and beta-carotene, two natural antioxidants, have been known for their health benefits. As antioxidants, they relieve the body from oxidative stress and protect your cells against the damaging effects of free radicals. This occurs when oxygen splits into single atoms with unpaired electrons, and electrons like to be in pairs, so these electrons scavenge the body, finding a pair. However, while they do this, they cause damage to cells, proteins, and DNA. This can lead to many diseases, including Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. Turmeric comes from the curcuma longa plant, and its active ingredient is called curcumin. And beta-carotene is derived from many fruits and vegetables, and it is a provitamin, so it converts into vitamin A in the body. I decided to test these on crown gall disease, which is known as the cancer of plants. It causes wart-like growths to appear like tumors on the plant, which stops nutrients from going up the plant. And it is caused by the soil-borne bacteria, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Right now, there are things aimed to help this on the market, including pesticides, tree wrap, and pruning knife. However, they can all result in death of the plant. My question I set out to solve was, can treating carrots infected with crown gall disease with antioxidants be a better alternative to preventing tumors than other treatment methods? And I hypothesized that if carrots treated with antioxidants are exposed to Agrobacterium tumefaciens, then the tumor growth on the pericycle will be smaller. This is the cross-section of root, but in my case, I decided to choose carrots because you can easily see the pericycle when they're cut up, and the pericycle is where rapid cell growth appears. The first step in my experiment was to go get carrots, and I chose to get organic carrots and then wash them, put them in 3 changes of bleach and then 3 changes of water to get any chemicals that were previously put on them. And then I cut them all up and divided them equally among petri dishes. And I made my solutions. So in my experiment, I wanted to do different concentrations of solutions of beta-carotene and turmeric. And my control was water. So the first solution I did was water, and then I did my 10% turmeric solution, which is your normal dosage, and then I diluted it to 1% solution. And then the same thing with beta-carotene, I did a 1507 microgram solution, and then diluted it to 151 microgram solution. And then I inoculated them on all my carrot slices with 1 microgram, and I did the same thing when I put my bacteria on it. So then I just inoculated my bacteria with 1 microgram as well. I put them in the incubator for 14 to 16 days and measured on day 14 and day 16. And what I found was that there was significant tumor growth on mostly my water, my carrots that were treated with water. And compared to my other solutions, it was way more significant. And my higher concentrations have way less significant amount of tumor growth compared to my lower solutions. So my hypothesis was proven correct. If carrots treated with antioxidants are exposed to Agrobacterium tumefaciens, then tumor growth on the pericycle will be smaller. And some of the carrots in the higher solutions even had no tumor growth whatsoever, which was a really good sign to see. This is important because it shows that there can be a beneficial and better alternative to preventing tumors than current treatment methods. And these are what some of my carrots looked like. Some had concentric green, some had wart-like growth, and then I found that some had experienced black rot. However, they were evenly distributed among my data sets. However, this was bad because black rot is due to fungus or bacteria, which I suppose was due to inefficient bleaching. However, it didn't really affect my data because there was not many of them and they were evenly distributed, so I marked them as NA. However, if I were to do it again, I would make sure the carrots were bleached efficiently. And so overall, I'm really excited about this research. I definitely want to dive more into experimenting more with alternative medicine and crown gall disease. And in the future, I would love to become an oncologist. And this is the next step in exploring cancer research. So I'm really thankful that I got to do this project, and I would love to definitely look way more into more projects with cancer. Thank you for your time and consideration.